Welcome back. I finally completed the figure, and this is a Hengs Model Kit 1/9 scale NAM M60 Gunner. He represents the 25th Infantry Division, and you can see that's on his patch there. But here he is, all done. First time I've ever worked with water effects, so I'm not real happy with that, but I wanted to give it a brackish brown color as he's foraging through a stream there. And of course he has the pig on his shoulder that he's carrying, well worn and used. So he was painted with a combination of numerous different types of paints and colors. Monument Hobbies Pro Acryl line, the Badger Stynel Res for some colors there, the greens, the browns, and the blacks. Vallejo greens, lots of different olive drabs, custom color mixes for lightening up his first generation jungle fatigues. As you can see there, they have the buttons exposed on the pockets. You have the black and yellow Army name tape and the white name tape on the other side. None of the markings were exposed back in 1968 Vietnam, so full color patch for the 25th Infantry Division like I have here. And just the detail is fantastic with this. I really am pleased with them. The flesh tones I did much like my video. I showed you how to do flesh tones in a previous video. I'll put a link in the description below on how to do flesh tones, but that's what I did with him here. I did use some pastels and some oils, and of course for his uniform I used some inks to highlight some areas. I used the inks and oils for his holster for his gun, and the ammo belt has tracer rounds painted in a fluorescent orange. That would be correct. And the detail on his helmet, even underneath the helmet I painted it to represent the fiberglass inner liner. Everything was hand painted, including his eyes. No decals were used whatsoever for any of this build. And it's hard to read, but I did put "Don't shoot, I'm short" on his helmet. His 5 o'clock shadow is stippled with pastels. But that is him in a nut basket. Very pleased with him. And I did build him along with Gilbert Mondragon. He built one also. His is a little larger. I believe his is 1/6 scale, whereas this is 1/9 scale, a little smaller. And Jerry Frade, he also did the same scale as Gilbert. They both built along with me. So I hope to show those to you right here. Show you their completed builds, give you a second to look at those. Those are fantastic too. Now you can get this kit for yourself from Hengs Model Kits over on Facebook. I'll put a link down below. It is one of the top kits in Europe, as rated in one of the publications overseas. And congratulations to Hengs on that this kit did make the publication as an all-time favorite for a lot of builders over there. And there you go. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.